with LaPlante Management. Today we're going to talk about using Excel for your finances. This could be tracking income and expenses, budgeting, reporting, or all the above. Now, I make a living automating and integrating software solutions, so you might be thinking I'm not the best person to talk about saving money by avoiding financial software, but here's the thing. I'm also the cheapest person you're going to meet. I'm not an early adopter when money is involved, and I'll always look for a less expensive solution to my own problems. So over the years, in large part because of my reluctance to pay for things, I've looked at ways to use Excel to supplement, and in some cases replace, accounting and finance software. This video will give a brief overview of how I would suggest getting started, then give a couple practical examples, and then try to sell you on having us do it all for you. Let's take a look. The first thing you'll want to decide is what information you want to capture in Excel and how. You can always manually key it all in, but in many cases, you'll be able to export the information you need from your financial institution or a different software program directly into Excel. Later on, we'll look at mapping in Excel to take some of the guesswork out of that side. One additional option is to use an automation software like Power Automate or Zapier to grab information from one source and automatically have it entered to Excel. This is a little trickier, but with Google and some time, or a consultant and some money, it's totally doable. So once you know what you want to see, and you know you actually can get at that information, it's time to organize it all. I'm going to run quickly through a couple examples just to give you an idea of what you could do. Excel is incredibly flexible in being able to create the look and feel you want, and if you have a good understanding of formulas, you can get the program to do a lot of the work for you. This first example is a budget template, which is actually available for download from our website. There's nothing particularly magical about it, but it's something we've used successfully with a number of businesses, and you're welcome to modify it for your own purposes. The idea here is that you can input just a few numbers to whatever level of detail you want or need, and let Excel do as much of the work for you as possible. You can see here, we can equally spread expenses across all months and have each tab roll up to a summary page. Another example is related to reporting. This one uses an exported report, and we map the cells for each tab just one time with a lot of copy and paste to fill formulas down and across the rows and columns. Then each time you update the export tab with new data, the reporting tabs automatically update themselves. You can see that in this case, I've created a main tab with a few buttons of the areas I most want to look at, then a monthly and year-to-date view. You can have as many buttons and tabs as you want. The real time saver is in setting up the formulas in the first place. Like the budget template, you can download these example dashboards from our website if you'd like a template with the formulas already started for you. Bottom line, what you can do in Excel might be enough for your business needs when it comes to financial systems, at least in part. Nothing we looked at today involves any coding. In fact, I stripped out code that I originally built into the budget template because it made it hard for users and wasn't necessary anyway. If you'd like help building something in Excel to give you access to information you're not currently able to find quickly or easily, we'd love to help. From our website, fill out the contact form on this page, or from YouTube, click the link in the description. Excel might feel intimidating, but once you get the hang of it, it's well worth your time. I'm Corey with LaPlante Management. Thanks for watching.